Hello everyone. Today we are going to repair an iron triangle earphone. This earphone has been removed now. Let's see how the machine is collected. There is a connection problem with the earphone during use. We saw that his button was broken and crushed, and then the back was sweating. The button has been pressed on it, resulting in the failure to turn it on normally and connect. Let's give him this desoldering place. It took a long time to give him this Wuhan. Let's fast forward it. Due to the deformation of the shrapnel caused by long-term extrusion, it has not been reset. Remove the shrapnel for him to straighten it. It takes a long time here, and it is difficult to fast forward and repair. In the future, the first thing we do is to connect to the mobile phone. Connect directly and play music normally. Thank you for watching.